You are going to love the 2022 Cooper Convertible. The Cooper Convertible is the drop-down version of the standard MINI Cooper. This is the car that just sips gas. Even if that isn't your concern, the Convertible allows you the same go-kart feel as driving the standard hardtop. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, LED headlights, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
MINI certified pre-owned vehicles are obsessively inspected by the highly skilled MINI technicians. MINI certifies their vehicles in one of two ways. Both include warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and the assurance that your MINI has been reconditioned with 100% genuine MINI parts. Talk to your local dealer today to find out more about the MINI certified pre-owned program.